I stumbled into a dental laboratory at 17. I left home early, and along the way, I just found a passion for using my hands and creating. I was classically trained as a denture technician. It was very apparent to me early in my career that implant dentistry was going to be my future, and that's what I embraced.
We do amazing dentistry. We do life-changing dentistry, actually.
We're a full-service laboratory that specializes in full mouth reconstruction. Over the years, we're constantly evolving on a daily basis. Even though we've mastered and have our workflows really tight, we are constantly looking to even improve deeper. My time is my biggest resource. I want to maximize my day-to-day, minutes that I have to work with and looking outside of just the dental industry for better solutions. I'm one of those guys, I will spend hours deciphering which item is going to be best for me, not just in my dental career, but in my life in general. When I found out that I could be more efficient with digital, it allowed me to maximize my time and investment in a better manner. I could not find anybody talking bad about Asiga. Many of my colleagues that I respect and value saying great things. And social media was powerful. Many groups that I would get involved in, I would hear great things about the product.
I tried and tested a bunch of different manufacturers and compared them with point clouds to see which one was most accurate to our CAD design, right? And Asiga happened to be the one that came on top, and that's the brand I went with. The Ultra is a very refined experience. It's more accurate, you have more control, you have better precision, you have better repeatability.
We've come back exclusively to dental model in my laboratory because I can't find anything better. It's consistent, and I believe it's the best resin on the market. Asiga has been an amazing fit for us. Today, it's like second nature to us. The power of what we can achieve and the speed is just, it's just second to none when it comes to this type of stuff.
At the end of the day, we're doing very cool things. It's fun to post things online, but it's ultimately a patient on the other end of this stuff that we're doing, and we are changing lives. So it's just incredible that what the technology allows us to do.
Staying on the cutting edge is a full-time job. I think it's only limited by your imagination.